Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella free. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get top in the morning, so I feel like baby king. Wasn't black, step up fitting, so I taste like baby B. But I'm cold, cause the answer, now you know it's getting cream. I got hope, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, and if you ain't, welcome back. So we got you a new hairstyle right here, okay? Obviously you clicked on this video to either support me, thank you, or you need to do your hair, and you need to get up and do your hair. This is the last video you need to watch before you actually get up and do it and stop procrastinating. And if you don't got no bundles, I got the bundles for you. They're linked down below in the description. Make sure you go check that out by the end of this video. Also, all the products I use in this video will also be linked down below. If you want to see how I got this hairstyle, make sure you keep on watching. And I'm going to tell you in the beginning of the video, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't even have to tell you that multiple times.
Oh, that's nuts, Lily.
Best when I'm up in the function. Johnny Dang on a chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby woman, Nash with the body, it's bustin'. This dress look good cause I'm in it. Big body Range Rover, not rented. I'm in my bag, I'm in my trophy. Dripped on the Prada, shoes is Giuseppe. Big time, big money, big pressure. Iced out on host, don't effort. Yeah, man in my DM, you should leave him. When I asked about his girl, he don't remember. Whoops, you know this flight though. Yeah, bitch, I'm bad, no Michael. All my ops, ain't friendly. Zip broke, no you can't check me. Rich, tell a hoe to get her money up. Brand new whip in the race, you the runner up. Codeine crate with the drink in his double cup. Out my way, ego bigger than a Hummer truck. Diamonds on me dance, they gon' dance no TikTok. Another couple bands on my watch. This one beef, what is they thinking? Stay on my phone, boy, B is not linking. Put my in public and I know that they watching. Yeah, I split up. Post on my location cause I know that they plotting. Yeah, you got to drop a what? Bubble gum, baby, we can get it poppin'. We gon' box a what? Keep bluffing, talk all that talk, ain't doing nothing. Bad bitch when I'm up in the function. Johnny Dang on a chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby woman, Nash with the body, it's bustin'. This dress look good cause I'm in it. body Range Rover, now I'm in my bag, I'm in my trophy. Dripped on in Prada, shoes just Giuseppe. I'm too hot, so these ain't cool with me. I'm too tough, they ain't shit to do with me. Pull up on the op, got the drop, who's next? I might drop the top on the block, who's flex? Can't call me ugly cause you know I look good, ho. Just won't try me, but I wish you would go. I'm not top 5, I am the one, I dare you to slide. You ain't dumb, you know I got the sauce, I drip, no stylist. You know I'm fly as hell, bad bitch, no mileage. Hair done, my face beat that Fenty. 30-inch wig cause I like my shit length. You do what you can and I do what I want. Don't check the tags, I don't care what it costs. You was broke, get you some money. You want your man? Come take him from me. Put my in public and I know that they watching. Yeah, I split up. Post on my location cause I know that they plotting. Yeah, you got to drop a what? Bubblegum baby, we can get it poppin'. We gon' box or what? This is be jumping. Talk all that talk, ain't doing nothing. Bad bitch when I'm up in the function. Johnny Dang on the chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby woman. Nash with the body, it's bustin'. This dress look good cause I'm in it. Big body Range Rover, not rent it. I'm in my bag, I'm in my trophy. Dripped on in Prada, shoes just Giuseppe. Bad bitch when I'm up in the function. Johnny Dang on the chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby woman. Nash with the body, it's bustin'. This dress look good cause I'm in it. Big body Range Rover, not rent it. I'm in my bag, I'm in my trophy. Dripped on in Prada, shoes just Giuseppe.
Coming down for a long time. Changes coming down on me.
It's a threesome, if she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you go, it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I millions. I did. The toughest actor follows back on tour. Off-road, Maybach, Pyrex, Trap. Virgil came back through the boy. Damn. That's something to me, niggas really had their back turned to me. I ain't talking my assistant when I say niggas down to pack something for me. Then they thought they had a trap set for me. How you really think that went for me? Niggas gotta do a fact check for me. When everything is put to rest, and everybody takes a breath, and everything gets addressed, it's you alone with your regrets. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets.
Like we weren't supposed to come up with something this clean. Like something happened.
but don't got a change. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my beans. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't the face. Saying they love me but wanting my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. Show the paparazzi in my face. Pretty but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini rolling when I hop at the truck. Pretty like Lauren with a big butt, yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn.
So y'all, this is the end results. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think it turned out real nice. My ring just got stuck in it. I think it turned out real nice. The bundles and everything that I use in this video will be linked down below. Go ahead and do you a quick weave. This your sign. If you've seen this video, this is your sign to go ahead and do a quick weave, okay? Stop watching everybody's videos, procrastinating. Just go ahead and do it. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next videos, okay? We coming out with bangers after bangers after bangers. I'm gonna just catch y'all in the next video.
How you gonna throw it away?